What the hell are you doing? You still got to stop for the light, dummy.
Closed Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The same lady still running that repair shop, I wonder? But the guy that almost got hit by that truck went in ahead of me.
The f*** are you doing?
Well, I couldn't go because that lady was crossing.
Yeah, but he raced the light.
Yeah, he did.
Oh my god, that's brutal. Yep, red light. Good job, lady. What the f*** are you doing?
In 1.2 kilometers, turn left on Bell.
Nice stop. You're not going to run. Yes, you are going to run that, aren't you, lady? Yep. Oh, that's it. Walk right behind me, you dumbass. Idiot.